Hi students, welcome to my channel. Today I am discussing about anomeric effect. Already we discussed about the glucose open chain form can convert to alpha anomer and beta anomer. This carbon is anomeric carbon at this position. Otherwise, once again separately I will write. This is anomeric carbon. Oxygen next first carbon is known as anomeric carbon. Configuration different at this hemiacetal carbon, that is called anomer. That's why in alpha form OH will be down, in beta form OH will be up. It is equatorial position, this is axial position. That's why these two are diastereomers, not mirror image to each other. So we know that what is anomeric carbon. Oxygen next first carbon is known as anomeric carbon or hemiacetal carbon. So I am just representing only this cycliform remaining groups, what is attached OH, H not represented here. Only the anomeric carbon only I am taking here. What is the anomeric effect? The preference of certain substituent bonded to anomeric carbon. It means some atoms are group, generally more electronegative atom. That's why I took here X. That is X. For the axial position, it means some groups will be preferably bonded to axial position instead of equatorial position. But last class we discussed about this, beta form is more stable due to equatorial position. But here some bonded groups should be at axial position only, they will prefer. Reason, this is oxygen lone pair. Actually like this two lone pair will be there. I am representing only axial lone pair. Equatorial lone pair I am not representing here, just observe only axial. So this is carbon halogen bond. Simply if you want to write, this is like this link will be, this is halogen, this is oxygen. I represented with the orbital form. So this is anti-bonding sigma star anti-bonding orbital, this one here clearly represented. So this is CX bond, this is carbon, this is halogen, more electronegative atom, halogen. Generally you can take chlorine also. So this axial lone pair of oxygen and this sigma star anti-bonding orbital, these two are parallel to each other. When these are parallel to each other, the lone pair of electron will be moved into this sigma star anti-bonding orbital with hyperconjugation, like is represented here. This lone pair will be overlap with this anti-bonding sigma star anti-bonding orbital. It is stabilized form. That's why some atoms are grouped preferred to the axial position. If it is equatorial position, what will be happen? If it is equatorial position, this bond whatever is there, that is equatorial. So the sigma star anti-bonding orbital is, this is equatorial lone pair. These are opposite direction, overlapping will be difficult. That's why it is not stabilized. This electron pair will not move because these are not parallel, opposite sides are. That's why this lone pair will not overlap with this sigma star anti-bonding orbital and it is less stable form. Therefore some groups prefer to axial position. For example, I will represent here one molecule, that is same glucose only considered alpha glucose. This is axial position and here this is methyl alcohol is reacted in acidic medium. I am not representing all the groups, only axial position OH represented here. This is considered alpha glucose. Then this H and here OH and H water molecule loss. Then we will get here this type of OCH3. If it is equatorial position, that is called glycosidic bond. This type of bond is there, ether bond is there, that is called glycosidic bond. If it is equatorial position, then what will be happen? then it will be OCH3. So already we know the reason, and one more reason is here the lone pair of oxygen at equatorial position. Here also some lone pair is that electron repulsion that is less stable. That's why that some groups are preferred to axial position. This is the most stable form, this is a less stable form. In competitive exam they will give the few structure in that which of the following is more stable. Then you have to remember about that anomeric effect. So at axial position that is more stable. Somebody may ask about the fructose. Fructose is 5-member ring that is Furanus form. In that anomeric effect, anywhere you may not seen here. Maybe the reason is the 5-member ring is more flexible than the 6-member ring. That's why this type of it can be moved to this side. Then that can be overlap also. That's why the anomeric effect is not discussed in the Furanus form, only discussed in the 6-member ring Pyranus form. Keep in mind, sometimes they may ask the question, what is the anomeric effect mean? Some groups are atom. Generally, it is more electronic atom like X or like this methoxy ether type group. And how it is stabilized? Alpha position. For an anomeric effect means some groups are preferred to at alpha that is axial position. What is the reason? The reason is that anti-bonding sigma or anti-bonding orbital and that lone pair of oxygen in cyclic, they are parallel to each other, and that is stabilized by the hyperconjugation. That is the main reason of anomeric effect. Thank you very much.